Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to back up Viber messages, and now let's dive right in. Now to back up your Viber messages, first open up your Viber app. After opening your Viber app, guys, you can see there is the more button available for us at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the more button at the bottom right corner and you will be on this interface where you will be required to first tap on the settings option available for us over here. Tap on settings and you will be on this interface. Now in order to proceed to back up your Viber messages, you can see your account option available at the top of the screen. Tap on account and over here you can see your Viber backup. Tap on the Viber backup, which is at the top of the screen. Now over here, guys, in order to back up your Viber messages, first you will be required to choose your account if you have not chosen your account for the backup already. After you have chosen your account for backup, guys, you can see there is the backup now option available for us. If you want to include your photos and your videos, you can tap on them to select them. If you don't want to include photos and videos, tap them again to unselect them. So you can also back up using your Wi-Fi and mobile data, if whichever you want. So with that being selected, tap on the backup now option available over here and your Viber messages will be backed up on this email which you have chosen. And with that being done, guys, this is the way you will be able to back up Viber messages. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.